I don't understand.
Who are you?
Oh,
I am.
Inspector Olatunde Olaniyin Olajiji.
Amuna ewu. Otu ibe. Officer na bi Olatunde Olajigi. Like your father. Nah, what the same? Like your father now. Now see what they talk. Okay, now I don't finish you.
Is your wife so beautiful?
Yeah. Hey, if you see an officer, you got a big breast, Allah. Huh? You better not tell ya. Yeah. 5 rooms and parlor.
Then your wife must be arrested. That means so I need to take down the act of the offense.
If you must know, the act is incorporation of incorporate, in disrespect of indisrespect,
Yes.
mischief of in mischief, and the incorporation of land acquisition.
Hey! Ah, that is enough. This is enough. That is enough. You are under arrest. Move.
Okay.
The offense is okay. Move.
Okay.
Move. You said
Don't beg, I guess.
Hey! Stop it,